So forget what you thought you knew about AI. Here are 7 game changers that are reshaping our tech landscape. Technology has been rapidly changing and it's really hard to keep up. So that's why today we're diving into the top 7 AI technologies that are set to change everything this year. Kicking off our top 7 countdown is all about AI learning from experience, reinforcement learning, or RL for short. Think about it as teaching someone to ride a bike, but not through explaining. Instead, you let them fall, get up, try again, and each time learning a bit more about how to stay balanced. That's reinforcement learning in a nutshell, and it's how machines learn to make decisions by trying things out and learning from the outcomes. As we're in 2024, reinforcement learning is on the brink of some major breakthroughs. They're set to change a range of applications from autonomous vehicles navigating our streets more safely to robots that can perform complex tasks alongside humans. Not just this, but even video games that adapt to your playstyle, making every experience unique. So how do they do it? Well, the key is to have breakthroughs in making RL algorithms more efficient and capable of learning faster from fewer experiences. This leap forward could transform autonomous systems, making them more reliable and adaptable. This could also revolutionize robotics by enhancing their ability to work independently and take game developments to new heights of personalization. Next up at number 6, we're stepping into quantum computing. Now imagine a computer so powerful that it can solve puzzles in seconds that would normally take ordinary computers millions of years. Unlike regular computers, which are very fast on and off switches, quantum computers use quirky rules of quantum physics to work on several hundred and thousands and millions of problems all at once. It has the power to be in multiple places doing multiple things all at the same time. And when AI meets quantum computing, it's a whole new level of advancements. They can solve super complex problems like understanding the deepest secrets of science and medicine faster than you can snap a finger. Also, you don't have to worry about safety because quantum computers can create and crack secret codes in ways we've never seen before, making our online lives more secure or potentially more vulnerable. They can also make everything run smoother and faster, from delivering your packages to streamlining your favorite shows by figuring out the best routes and shortcuts in an instant. Imagine Amazon completely powered by quantum computers. We'd probably go from one day shipping to maybe a couple of hours. At number 5, we're exploring how AI is transforming healthcare, making it smarter and more personalized than ever before. The next time you're going to the doctor, you don't have to wait days or weeks for results. Now you can get them in real time, all thanks to AI. But how does AI work exactly in this aspect? AI could potentially help doctors look at medical images like X-rays and MRIs and spot things that might be missed by the human eye. It's not about replacing doctors, but about giving them a powerful tool to work with. But it's not just about finding problems, it's about finding the best way to treat people. AI can help create treatment plans that are tailored for you and considering all of your unique health details into play. Sliding into number 4 on the list, let's talk about how all of our gadgets are learning to understand us better through natural language processing. Thanks to big leaps in NLP, chatbots and virtual assistants are getting a major upgrade. They're moving from giving basic scripted responses to having actual conversations. Now imagine asking your phone for restaurant recommendations, and it understands your mood, your preferences, and even suggests a perfect spot based on your past likes. That's the new wave of NLP at work. And it's not just about chatting. NLP is breaking down language barriers, making translations more accurate and natural. So gone are the days of awkward robotic translations. With advanced NLP, it'll be like having a fluent translator there by your side, making sure nothing gets lost in the translation. At number 3, we're diving into cybersecurity, where AI is everything that we need. Now, in a world where online threats are always lurking, AI is stepping in to make us safe potentially. Now, we can think of AI as an ultimate digital a watchdog. It's always on the lookout, always patrolling and scanning for anything unusual that might spell trouble, like a cyber intruder. But it's not just about standing guard. As AI gets smarter with every attack, it'll also learn to spot even the sneakiest of threats faster and be able to squash them more accurately. And when AI does spot trouble, it doesn't just sound the alarm, it jumps into action. They have new tech now to combat malware and threats by implementing advanced elimination patterns towards these threats. Now, coming in at number 2, we're stepping into a world where our reality gets an upgrade thanks to augmented reality, or AI for short. This isn't just about cool graphics popping up in the air, it's about blending our world with some digital magic to create experiences. In gaming, this combo brings the action right to your living room. Imagine playing a game where the characters and challenges appear right in front of you, moving and reacting as if you're really there. Now, not just in gaming, but you can also see AR uses in education and in medicine. With AR, you can easily learn about the human body by seeing a life-sized 3D heart floating in front of you. You can also go into the details like see the heart beating and ultimately show you how the body systems work. When it comes to working together, even from afar, this tech will bring collaboration to a whole new level. Remote meetings can feel like you're sitting across the same table and working on the same 3D project together. Landing in our number 1 spot, one of the coolest things about AI is probably how it's going to affect climate change. So it's not just about gadgets and games. AI is really stepping up for the planet quietly, using its brain power to tackle some environmental challenges. One of the coolest things that AI is doing now is making how we use energy smarter and cleaner. It'll have the power to figure out the more efficient ways to power homes, offices, and even entire cities. But that's not all. AI could also use heaps of data to predict changes in our environment. This means that we can be better prepared for things like storms or droughts and work on ways to protect our homes before climate change happens. With AI's help, we're not just reacting to climate change, we're getting ahead of it. From keeping our air clean and protecting endangered species and their habits, we can use the power of AI and quantum computing to figure out how to make the healthier planet greener. And there we have it, a whirlwind tour of the top 7 AI technologies set to reshape our world from 2024. What do you think about these emerging AI techs? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.